Okay, y'all, so I just want to show you a little bit about how the Whiteboard app works. So if you notice on my left side, I'm in the live lesson mode. On the right side, this is what a student would normally see. So what you're going to do is you're just going to hit Open Whiteboard, and then you'll get this pop-up. So in your pop-up, you're going to have to write inside of the yellow box. And you can use pretty much most of the features that Draw It has, except it's a little bit easier. So if you wanted to copy and paste or just type in your question, you could do solve for x, and then you can just write your problem out by using your pen. So I always like to make mine a little smaller, so I would just simply write in x equals, oops, sorry, not x equals. So you could just write in x plus 7 equals 10. So then you'd be able to simply solve that problem. And if you notice, it's actually responding a lot faster than it normally does. So then you would be able to solve simply x equals 3. The kids are seeing the same thing on the right side in the moment. And then the nice thing too, if you wanted to solve for x more than once, you can erase and start all over. So it's really, really simple, really, really quick. So again, we could do another example, solve for y, and it works at the same speed. So you're seeing that on the right side, it almost instantly pops up for kids. So you can do the exact same thing where we're now solving for y, and we have y minus 7 equals 10. So again, everything is popping up at exactly the same time. So this time y equals 17, gotta box that answer. So yeah, that's just a quick little example for how this works. And then when you want to go back to the main screen, you just hit X and you'll be right back at where you left off. So keep in mind that you do have to just add in that model by hitting Open Whiteboard. So yeah, any other questions, you can just reach out to one of us and we can help you out.